we're gonna check out our Villa 2474 room with a view of the pool. Alright, so immediately to my left, you have a little coffee bar. It does take K-cups. They provide you with a couple different options in green tea. Some cups, stir sticks, napkins, creamer, sugar substitutes, some other items. This is our stuff we brought from home. Nice mirror. Ice bucket, in case you want to get some ice. If you want to put this outside of your door, you can. So we make our way forward. You have a closet. You have some extra linens back there, along with a skinny safe and an iron. Safe, you're probably not going to be able to fit a laptop or anything like that in there. You do have an ironing board. We brought our own cart since we live maybe 30 minutes away. Whoops. Little luggage rack. They do provide hangers, and you have more linens up there. On this side is the bathroom. Over here is the toilet. Nothing fancy, nothing special. Do have this nice artwork on the wall. Over here you have your double sinks. You have some face towels. What do we got here? Hand cream, bar soap, shower cap, some ear stuff, tissue, some glasses. Down here it's just more storage, hair dryer, your towels, a mirror. Hello. And then your showers over here. Okay, that's a sliding door. Rip it off the wall door. They do have, what is this? Okay. Shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Will say, also, full-length mirror. It's a bit dated, which I thought they just upgraded these rooms with, or refurbished them, but got things like this. Some paint, looks a little, needs some TLC. All right, so over here we have two queen beds. Back up a little bit so you guys could see. Good sized space in here. I mean, you could fit 4 people comfortably in here. All right, so the little nightstand area, I do not see any USB plugs, except for in this alarm clock. It looks like it has the, what is this, wireless, I guess it is, charging. Pen and pad, some storage down there. Again, these are two queen beds. Just some extra storage space over here. And then your TV. Probably a 42-inch TV for reference. Maybe a little bigger. You do have your drawers. In here, you have not much going on in there. Refrigerator. How old is it? Yeah. Decent. And what do we got here? In-room dining. So I'll scan that, I'll put that later on. As we make our way over here, we have a nice desk setup, which you could also use for dinner if you'd like. Let's see your rundown. Feel free to pause it at any point. Another view of the room. It's a good spacious room, I will say that. Could it use some extra love? More than one photo? Yeah, absolutely. Nice little chair here. But we do have a view. We don't have a balcony, unfortunately, but we do have a pool view. And this, I guess, is not the main pool. This is just a regular, everyday pool. See the bocce ball down over there. Nobody's in the pool. I mean, it's 70s out, maybe? It's going to be in the 40s tonight. But, yeah, this is our room for the next few nights. So, if you haven't done so already, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe. Free to do. We truly appreciate it. And everybody who's returning, welcome back. We have some more videos coming from Universal. We are at Portofino. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, give it a thumbs up. Till next time, bye.